Hi, welcome back to my channel, and this is another process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. And I am using the Slam Dunk. This was released back in July of 2020, so it is definitely available. And I was like, you know what? The March Madness is around the corner. Huge basketball person right here. Huge. And so when I saw that I was up with some basketball photos of my daughter in her album, because if you don't know and you're new to my channel, I do go chronologically in order a year behind. So what I mean by that is I am scrapbooking all of Kaylin's or any of our stuff like in 2019. I do some recent stuff, but not a lot. Not a lot. So I am in her 2019-2020, and she was a second grader. So I was coaching basketball, and I just absolutely loved that she wanted to pick up this sport. She was excited to do it. She was trying to learn. And as a second grader, you're not exactly the tallest type person to be able to get to the hoop or even know how to like jump or any of that. And she took it by storm. Like, I'm telling you, like, if she decides to like all of a sudden say, I'm not gonna do soccer anymore, and she wants to do basketball, I would be super stoked, like completely stoked. But she just wanted to play around while the girls was practicing and stuff, and I said, yeah, go ahead. So this was during our Thanksgiving break. I decided to have the team come 3 days out of the week and for their winter break or like their fall break, because we are a very challenging group of individuals, if you know what I mean, because our girls don't, I'm not saying that they don't know what they're doing, but they have not played a lot together. And what I mean by that is a lot of the teams around in my district that I coach for, or that I play against, these kids have probably lived in the same area for, years and have played on traveling teams together, the Y, playing out here at Fort Gordon, whatever the case may be. Parents retired, stayed here, and still playing with the same set of kids. And my school has only been open at this time the second year. This school is open now for the third year, so they have not been able to like play a lot. So it's always been a trying. And then let's just put it out there, they're females. Like, I mean, I'm being honest with you. Females and coaching is a lot of work. Like, it's a lot. And you can ask any coach. It doesn't matter if you're a female coach, a male coach. It doesn't matter. Coaching girls is a lot. And when Kaylin was, telling them that you need to be doing this, and I don't understand why you don't listen to mom. And I was like, oh, Lord, you're going to get yourself into trouble. But they were listening, like they understood that, mom meant business, like coach meant business. Because my daughter knows that when I coach, I coach. And they were like totally wanting to see me with my daughter. And when I brought her, they were like, is this how you act? And this is how you do your daughter for school? I was like, yeah, like this is how I coach. Like she knows that I don't take no jive. And Kaylin would say, oh no, mommy's strict on me. So it was a lot of fun. But anyway, so that's what that is. I pulled out the Kate and Ash collection from Simple Stories. I have never dug out this collection, so it's completely brand new. I did do some fussy cutting, and I know that you didn't see it on camera. I didn't realize I wasn't like completely under it, but excuse me, sorry about that. But I decided to cut out these little arrows and place these as little bits And then the Slam Dunk, it is called Slam Dunk. That is in the Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. Make sure that you go check that out along with her group. It's all linked down below. And directly to this cut file, if you are a huge basketball player, this is a really good one to use. It's easy. You could definitely do a lot with it. Then, I did do 3 photos. I did back them with some layers from this collection, and then I pretty much have, like, the 3 photos are kind of the same. They're just been taken at different times while she was practicing. But she was trying to get her layup down because she really wanted to get that before she left on this day. And she started making them. She did pretty good. Now, for the most part of this, the rest of this is all going to be just me embellishing, figuring out different spots that I want to play, doing different things with it, and I'm just like, yep, it is what it is. You know, the thing is that, like, playing sports, it's always been a big thing for me in my, for my house. My son played it when he was little and then flipped completely and went chorus and band and orchestra on me, but that's still okay, completely fine, nothing wrong with that. Kaylin is still into sports, and I hope she stays that way. I am placing little things down below. There's some cacti I put in there. It has nothing to do with it, color matches. And I did not realize, I think my camera got bumped or something. I don't know why my full thing is. I'll make sure that on the next video, I know that there's going to be a couple more up that is going to be on my channel that you don't see the bottom, and I'm super sorry for that. But I'm going to fix that because I didn't realize that I was like that far off the screen. This is like ridiculous. But I'm just going through, and some of the stuff stays and then some of it doesn't. Get rid of some of it. I'm just going through the embellishments because it's my first time. It's my first time really going through all of these. I have been in school for a couple of days now, and man, it's been a whirlwind of a year for that matter. I'm back in school for right now, so we'll see how this goes. This goes up on the 29th, so after this video, you'll get to see or hear a little bit about how my first week of school went since I've been back. For most of you guys know, if you're new to my channel, I am a 3rd grade teacher where I work at, and it's been a whirlwind. But I have been out of school since the 4th of December. I went back for a little bit to find out that we're going to learn from home. So just on this past 25th, I was in school. I prepped and got all that. And then the 26th is when the kids came back. And when I did this voiceover, it was on the 25th. So I will have definitely more information and kind of just to give you a little bit about how things are going in school. I didn't gain any more kids, so I'm at 16 or 15, and then I can only have one more, so, that's good there. And I keep all of them. They're super excited to come back, and I'm excited, honestly, to be in class with them. I at least know my kids. It's a lot of those teachers that are coming back now that were virtual and not had their kids at all. So it's like their very first day of school compared to, being online or whatever. So, but we'll see how it goes. So I'll let you know how it goes from there. But I'm rounding out on doing some of this stuff. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you. I do design team layouts like this, collaborations, and all the different types of sorts of 12x12s to traveler's notebooks. I hope that you're all staying safe. If you are new, I would love to have you. Hit that like and subscribe button. If you are my returning subscribers, yay, thank you. I'm so glad for you to come back and check out what I have next. I'm rounding out with the Bumblebees. It's from Shimmerz Paints, and it's just this nice little yellow that matches the yellow that's in this collection, and then that is it. Still shots are definitely coming up. Make sure that you check the description down below for everything that is for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop, along with, obviously, I'll link all of my products. Again, make sure you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Thank you.